Hello friends, welcome to SATI Learning. In today's lab, we will create Microsoft Azure storage account and we will create a file share within storage account and we will upload some files into the file storage and we will create Windows operating system, that is a virtual machine, and mount the file share with our virtual machine. So let's go to the lab. So I have logged into Microsoft Azure account. I will go to storage account. So we can add a storage account from add button, or we can click on create storage account. So I am creating new resource group, storage resource group. So this storage account name should be unique one. Will give SATI Windows storage account. So there are two performance standards are there actually. The first one is the standard one, second one is the premier one. So yes, we are using free subscription, we will use the standard one. And account kind, so general purpose. And cool and hot. So the cool is when we use the file storage in non-frequently. So we will use the storage type as cool tier. And when we are using hot, it means like we are frequently accessing the storage account. So we will keep it hot. And networking, public endpoint, so which can be accessed via over internet. So we will keep all the settings as it is. So we can create a tag for the storage account. So for billing purpose and other purpose, now we will review and create. So it's creating the storage account. So the storage account should be unique across Azure. So we can see the deployment details. It's creating the storage account. It's accepted. So that is type is storage account. Now we'll go to the storage account. So here we have a lot of types in the storage account: the containers, file shares, tables, queues, and we can also create a blob actually. So now we can create a file share from this link, or like we will have the file service section. So we can go and click the file shares and create a file share. So here we can provide the size of the quota. So we can give up to 512220 gigabytes. So I will create a 2 gigabyte. Successfully created the storage. So we can upload the file here. So I will create a new file. How to create Azure file share and mount Windows operating system. This is the file name I am creating. So I created a file. So let's upload the file. So I am uploading the file. So the file size is 52 bytes. It's uploaded successfully. So we can go and double check the storage account. And we have the file share and we have one file. So next we go to virtual machine and create the Windows operating system. So we can add virtual machine. Quickly we do it actually. So we will not go in depth. So I am selecting standard SSD. So to save costs, so I will keep all other properties as it is and I will create. So validation passed. I am creating the operating system, Windows operating system. So for Windows operating system it will take 5 to 10 minutes. For the Unix operating system it will take only few minutes. So I will pause the video and I will resume once the operating system is created. So now our deployment is completed. So I will go to the resource. So we got the public IP address. I will note down here. And I will connect to the virtual desktop. So I am connecting to the remote desktop. Yeah, successfully we connected. So it's loading the user profile. So this is the username, actually root admin one I have provided. So it's setting up the OS. So yes, we are opening the first time. So here we can see the IP address. Say it will load the server manager in default to create the IAS server. So we'll wait for a minute. We'll open PowerShell. So now we will go to file share and we will click on connect. We'll go to storage account. So click on connect. So here you will get three options actually. So connecting, mounting the drive. For example, like when we are using the pen drive, correct? So when we plug into our desktop or the laptop, so we get one new drive installed. So it can be like Z drive or D drive or E drive. So now we will go and create a T drive. So this is the PowerShell scripting. We need to copy paste and run it in the Windows virtual machine. And this is the script for Linux and this is for Mac OS. So now we will copy the PowerShell script. So it's connecting. Yes. So now if you see here, like T drive has been created with 2 GB file system. So this is the route which is pointed to our Azure. So now we will open the Explorer in this PC. So we can see here. So the T drive has been created, and so its name is static file share. So free free size is 1.99 GB and total size is 2 GB. So now we can go and check the file which we uploaded in the Azure portal actually. So now we have the file share, the text file we can see here. So now we can double check. We can go here and we can upload another file. We mention file share 1 and we'll upload file share 1 and upload. So now we will go to the virtual machine. So now we can see the file has been created. So now the new file we can see here. So we can create a new text file. So we can see the new file has been reflected in the Azure portal. So the main advantage of the file share is we can map this file share in different virtual machines. So for example, like when we are using common shared files like configuration files, so mostly we will use the file share system. So that's it actually. So this demo is completed. So I will create another video for how to mount Linux OS with Azure file share. Thanks for watching the video and please support us.